Hey, this will be a video chart on APCX. What we're looking at here is a 60-minute chart. What that means is instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, they just each represent 60 minutes worth of price action. The reason I want to do it on this time frame is it shows a little bit more of the chart and what's going on with it. We might go to the daily to try to find some resistance levels, but we'll just see what happens. So this is the 60 minute, and like I said, it does a good job of showing what's been going on. So what has been going on? Well, a nice little uptrend has been going on. You can see that by looking both here at the 200 period and here at the 50 period. Simple moving averages. This one has a very clear and evident upward slope to it. The 200 period, not so much, but it is sloping upwards. So that's what you want to see in terms of when you're trying to gauge what the kind of overall trend of a chart is. Now, if you went to the daily chart, you could probably see the same thing, but I just think it's a little easier to kind of see on this chart here. The other main reason I wanted to do the 60-minute was it does a good job of pointing out where the majority of the volume came in today. So we're looking at here the 3rd of March, and look what happened. The last 2 hours, more so in this last hour right here. Nice volume surge. The price started to head back up. So the afternoon session was very bullish, and we'll see if that carries on into Friday and then next week. But when you look at just the last two bars here, you know that the last couple hours, the afternoon session was definitely in the bulls' possession. So in terms of support levels, what are we looking at? Well, I kind of already let the cat out of the bag on that one. The support levels we want to see hold is mainly going to be the 50 period simple moving average. Technically, if the price were able to stay above this level, then the chart would remain bullish, but I know nobody wants to see it drop all the way back down there. So for that point, the key level that you're going to want to see continue to hold, which has done a very good job holding ever since it made this upwards move back here in February, is going to be the 50 period moving average right there. Now moving on to resistance levels. There is resistance right now, just up here obviously at the previous high, which is at 0.0015. And after that, this is where we may have to go to the daily chart. Let me check. Yeah, let's see what the daily chart shows us. So it's looking like after this breakout here, essentially it would just be a blue sky breakout territory. For argument's sake, I'm just going to say that if the price can break through here, it's going to once again be into blue skies. So that is where the chart currently stands, and this is the daily chart. So going back to the 60-minute here, keep your eye on this, and after the 0.0015 level, we'll be into blue skies for the bulls. So we'll see if this momentum carries into tomorrow and next week. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free, no strings attached. We've been making some good money together on our alerts, so it's at least worth checking out and giving a try. One more time, this was APCX. Thanks for listening.